assembly ya Wasingishu.
Mozorone kodong mana ndalo machuok kende to nyasi mar yango dichieng' mar Mashujaa ibiro bagi kaunti ma Kericho timore ikruok koro ogikie eng'iende ka chenro bende koro imedo keti makare mar neno ni nyasi no otimore yo makare. E kinde limbe mare erango chenro no alap ma Kericho Green Stadium jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita Dr. Raymond Omollo omiyo jogedo madhi nyime gi ikruok no nyaka tarik 10 mar dwe mar 10 mar neno ni gitieko chenro go. Ka jagoro mongirore migawo mar thieth ma Mary Mudhoni owacho ni chenro mag yudo thieth nengo moyueyo kata universal health coverage en achiel kuom gigo mibiro yange kinde nyasi mar Mashujaa Day ma higani.
The stadium, as you can see, has been done afresh by the Ministry of Sports, and by the 10th of this month the contractor would have handed over the facility. In all that assessment, we are satisfied with the preparations and we are ready to go for the Mashujaa Day celebrations that will be on the 20th of October 2023 to be presided by His Excellency President William Ruto. We expect a number of invited guests who will join His Excellency the President in the celebrations. And the theme of this year's celebrations is on universal health care. And we expect a very strong presence from the healthcare providers. The President will use that occasion to also showcase a number of community healthcare providers, or what we call the healthcare promoters, who are drawn from across the entire country.